Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining Onyx Food Hill. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, like my video and also subscribe. Thank you. Today we are talking about Zobo drink. This is a popular beverage in Nigerian homes. We make this popular drink almost all the time in our homes. Zobo drink is made from dried roselle leaves or sorrel leaves. That's what we call it. And this is what it looks like. Zobo drink is nourishing and refreshing. I love to take this a lot, especially when it's chilled, and I would love to show you how I make this in my home. So this is the dried roselle leaf. I love to add lemon to my Zobo drink because of the flavor it leaves, and also you'll be needing ginger. This is just optional, but this is how I make mine. And lastly, you will need a flavoring agent. I'm using vanilla essence. These are the 3 ingredients I'll be using to make this refreshing drink. Keep watching. I'm going to bring the dried sorrel leaf into a bigger bowl. I'll just rinse this maybe like 2 times under running water. Add some cold water to the Zobo leaves. Just rinse it once or twice to get rid of dust and sand. I love to rinse this because I bought this from the open market, so I like to remove dust before I start boiling this. I'm going to bring the Zobo into a large pot, then add water to slightly cover the leaves. Now I'm going to cut the lemon into smaller sizes, then add to it. I just love the taste lemon releases to this drink. Then I'm also going to add in few pieces of fresh ginger. A little will go a long way. I also love the flavor and the taste of ginger in this drink. The vanilla essence will be added later, so once I'm done, I'm going to place the lid over it. I'm now going to place this on heat to boil. Okay, so I've been boiling this for about 20 minutes. And this is how far it goes, and I love the flavor it releases to the kitchen. It smells really good. So I'm going to put up the heat, then leave this to get cool. Once this has cooled down, we are going to strain this with a strainer. So I'm going to discard this. We don't need this anymore. Into this, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla essence, just to give it a nice flavor. You can decide to add sugar immediately or add it whenever you want to take this. After that, you stir this so that the sugar will melt inside. Then place this in the fridge. Your Zobo drink is ready. And another way to enjoy this is to add some ice cubes. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that a lot. Remember to subscribe. Let me know what you think about Zobo drink. Leave your comments below in the description box. Like this video and share this with your friends. Until next time, bye.